So these just came in from KastKing, the Skeet Reese. Now I gotta tell you, I'm not exactly sure who that is. I'm guessing it's some pro that they sponsor or something like that. But I got a good deal on them. And this is the spinning reel, 6.2 gear ratio. Got the 3000 model here, and then I got the left-handed Baitcaster 7.2. So let's just take a look at them real quick and open them. I will say KastKing does have cool boxes, and I've used a lot of KastKing stuff, and I haven't really had any issues at all. So here's the Baitcaster. The only thing I'm a little leery about, and this is just a cosmetic preference thing, is these yellow handles here. These are going to get dirty, I assume. I mean, you could probably just clean them up or whatever, but got a good grip on it. And it seems pretty basic construction for a Baitcaster, right? Seems smooth just out of the box there. And you've got your star drag right here. You get your dials to get it. The line right there. Your brake. And let's see. What do we got here? Yep, gear ratio 7:1. 12 pounds, 110 yards. I'm going to guess that's maybe for like fluoro or something like that. But I don't know if it gives you the diameter or anything in here. But I'm just going to run 10 pound on it until it's up to where I want it to. But there's that. Looking forward to getting that out and using that. But out of the box, seems pretty well constructed. Seems nice. And then here's the spinning reel over here. And obviously you've got your handle that you can put on the left or the right side. Just how these guys are set up here. So let's go ahead and get this out, and we'll get this on. All right, so we got that on, new on the left there. I mean, it seems smooth, right? But of course it's just out of the box. So I haven't had to put it to the test yet, but quality seems nice. And durable out of the box. This is the 3000, like I said, and it's got your flip here too that you can reverse the way that this goes in case your line gets stuck up or something, or you need to back it out. It's got your drag right here, and this actually tells you the millimeters. 0.23 millimeter at 260 meters, 0.28 millimeter at 175 meters, and then right here it gives you your other reading. 8 pounds, 280 yards, 10 pounds at 190 yards. So I think I'm going to like them. Same deal with this though. It's got this rubber part right here that probably collects some dirt over time, but not a big deal. So one thing that's cool about KastKing too is they give you these stickers, and then the build of it and stuff like that. And then looks like you got some little drag washers in here, so that's cool. Or I don't know if these are called drag washers or not, but I'm pretty sure you stack them up under here to get your line to lay right. And then you can put down your line that you got, and you can put that up on there too. So that's pretty cool. Probably put that right there, I guess. I don't know where you put it, but very nice. They seem well constructed. Yeah, I can't wait to get them all lined up and out there trying to catch some fish.